Hello, everybody. It's me, Sophia, and today I just had my own Lego set. It's my own Lego set. So I just named a girl and the cat. Except for bird, I have to find a bird name. So let's start with the cat. So this is a white cat with what this is a white cat with hemerochromia because you can see his eyes. Because his eyes are blue and orange. It's kind of a heterochromia, and he wearing a a hospital hat. I name him I name him Yuyu, and this is the girl. I give her hat with the hair, and she wear a doctor suit for he. Oh, I mean, she's not wearing a doctor suit. She's actually wearing a a vet case, a vet suit. Name her Anika. Like this is a Anika, and this is her. This is his her pet Yuyu, and Anika also have a pet with is a bird, with is a bird. I didn't name her pet her pet bird yet because I have to find their names, the cat and the bird. I mean, I already named that cat. I already named her cat Yuyu. I have to find that bird name, like she is chilling with the with her the relaxed chair and listen to a radio. However, I got two cats when I already posted on my waffle maker set, like showed the reveal. So there he is. There is a free cat with the hats. So this is Cupcake, the cacao cat, Yuyu, the Turkish fan, and Vince, the Bombay. I think it's Bombay. Cacao cat, Turkish fan, and a Bombay. So there's a free cat I got. Goodbye, everybody. See you next time.